How to add a Facebook group to a Meta Business Suite account. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can add a Facebook group to a Meta Business Suite account. And here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Meta Business Suite account, just like I have done here. And then once you are logged in, you can see your home page, your Instagram profile, and all of that. So once all of this has been seen, the next thing you must notice is that for you to be able to add a Facebook group to your Meta Business Suite account, you must have added the Facebook group to your Facebook page. All right. And so, how do you know if you have a group under your Facebook page? Just go to the left side of the screen and then click on your settings option. Then, under the account tab, click on pages, click on your page, more on the page details page, click on the more options button, and then click on view on Facebook. Now, after clicking on view on Facebook, you'll be directed to your Facebook's page. So now on this page, you can see post, about, mention, and then click on more. So now more, the next thing for you to do is to click on groups. So after clicking on groups, you'll see the number of groups that you have here. Once you have enough groups here, like once you have groups that you've joined here, and then you log in into your Meta Business Suite account, and then you connect your Meta Business Suite to your Facebook page, the group that you are on automatically would also be added to your Meta Business Suite account, such that when you want to create or make a post on the post page, by the time you click on this option that is determining where you want to post to, the group would also be displayed as an option. So you can now decide to select the group such that the post would also be shared to the groups you are on. So this is how it works actually. This is how you can add a Facebook group to a Meta Business Suite account. The major thing you have to do is to ensure that on your Facebook account you have groups that your Facebook page have joined already, and then from there you can now go ahead and do what you have to do. So that is it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.